Welcome back to another episode of UXpreneur. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put Google Analytics tracking on your website landing page. So grab that popcorn, let's dive in.
So the first thing I want to do is go to humdrum.com/WP admin. This is how we log into the back end of our domain name. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to plugins and add new, and we're going to type in Google Analytics. It appears that SiteKit has 2 million active installations and Monster Insights has 3 million. This one down here looks the simplest. Adds Google Analytics tracking code to your website. So let's just do Google Analytics GA. Let's go ahead and activate it. We're going to go to settings, plugin settings, and we're going to add our Google Analytics tracking ID here. So the next thing we have to do is go to Google Analytics. So I'm going to go to analytics.google.com, and what we're going to do is create a property. We're going to call it Humdrum. We're going to describe it as a small business. We're going to measure customer engagement on our site and create. We're going to choose web. I'm going to ignore these tutorials. We're going to type in humdrum.com, humdrum, create stream. If you installed tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure they're installed correctly. Go to view tag instructions, and select your website builder. Well, we don't have any of those. Let's install manually, and all we have to do is grab this. Now, if we come back over here to Google Analytics, this is what they're saying is global site tag, and it says include tracking code in page footer or in the head. I think we can do the head for now, and they'll probably tell us. We're going to get our Google Analytics tracking ID in a minute. Here's the gtag.js. Here is our Google tag right there. So I can actually copy that. You can see it's everywhere in here. And we're just going to paste it in there. We're going to click Save Changes. The next step is to go to our website, and let's make sure that it's working. And the way I'm going to do that is by going up here to these three dots, going down to more tools, and I'm going to open up Developer Tools. I'm just going to stretch this out so we can see it a little better, and I'm going to close this body tag and open the head. And I'm just coming in here to see that we have the Google Analytics right there. Tag Manager with the thing and the script. Okay, so we have it. Great. Now let's go back to Google Analytics and check. Let's just refresh, see what happens. If you installed it more than 48 hours ago, make sure they are set up correctly. Okay, we have that in there, so for now, we have set up our Google Analytics as far as we could.
So that concludes our video on just how easy it is to link Google Analytics to your landing page so you can track people who visit and come to and fro. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, click that bell notification so you know when the next one comes. Bye-bye.